Hey everybody, Boone White with the 323 Concept here. Just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to paint a piece of furniture. Basically, I start by disassembling everything. After I get everything disassembled, I go into a cleaning process, a vacuuming and crud cutter. If you have any fill work, any damage to the piece, you would want to sand it and fill it and do all that before you clean. I didn't have any, so here I am cleaning without that process. Once we get done cleaning, we'll be ready to prep everything for spraying. So here I am taping off all the drawers. I put cup hooks in my doors and my drawers. That way I can hang them and spray them all at once, both sides. So here we are putting our hangers in there, and we'll get those hung up as you see in a second. And once we get all that done, we are ready to put our primer on. That's what we're doing here. This is a shellac-based primer that I like to use. Once we get those on, we sand it down and we tack cloth off all the dust, and then we're ready to paint and put on 2 coats of paint. And once we get it painted, we are basically ready to reassemble it. So we take off all of our prep work, get our hardware put back on, get our glass put back in, and get our final product ready to go. So hope y'all enjoyed our video today. If you did and want to see more, feel free to follow our YouTube channel. We've got full in-depth videos and a link to where we basically all the tools, materials that we use. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed and hope to see you in the future. Thanks. Bye.